All right, we're here with Lincoln from Yakoda Supply. How you doing, Lincoln?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing pretty great. We've been working together now for a little bit over, we're coming up on 3 months. So in that time, how much have I been able to make you directly working with me?
Yeah. Before we started working with Max, um, the month before we were at 17,000 in revenue attributed to email. And then this past month, after about 3 months, we were all the way up to 43,000.
All right, perfect. And before we started working together, what were sort of the challenges you guys were facing doing the email marketing in-house?
Yeah, great question. So for us, it really came down to time, right? Yokota is still kind of a smallish team. And as being a small team, we all wear a lot of hats. And one of the things that we recognize is email marketing was really important to our retention strategy. And we weren't paying enough attention to it. So we went out and we wanted to look for either a person or an agency that could fully dedicate their time to our email marketing strategy. So that was kind of the big thing that, we wanted out of this relationship.
Perfect. And for anybody who's watching who's sort of sat on the fence about working with us, what would you tell them?
Yeah. In general, like the amount of money Max and his team have added to our monthly email revenue, like easily pays for itself. So, that's something we're totally happy with. And not only have we seen the big uptick in revenue from email, but it just makes my job as the marketing director a lot easier. We know, all of our email campaigns and flows are in good hands with Max and his team.
All right, perfect. Well, thanks so much for hopping on, Lincoln. Always a pleasure talking with you. And that's it.